Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix a Spotify not playing in your background. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So if you ever go to Spotify and click on the song you want to play and exit out of your phone like this, and it just stops playing, there's a couple things you can do to try to fix this problem. The first thing you can do is head to Spotify, click on Settings in the top right. You then want to scroll down near the bottom to Storage, and click Clear Cache. All this will do is try to make the app run a little bit smoother by getting rid of some of the data that it doesn't need. Another thing you can do is hop out of here, go to the App Store, and search for Spotify. You're going to see if Spotify needs some kind of update, because sometimes it might not make the app run as smooth. As you can see, it does not. Sometimes you might need it though. Finally, the last thing you can do is head to Settings, scroll down to General, iPhone storage, see it in the top right, or scroll down and try to find it. So I'll go ahead and click that and search for Spotify. Then you want to offload the app. All this will do is free up some storage used by the app, but also keep its documents and data, so you don't got to worry about any of your data disappearing. Once you're done offloading the app, you then want to reinstall the app. You can then clear Spotify, open it back up, and play some music and see whether or not it is now working in your background. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year. I could not do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.